Hi everyone! If you're new to the channel, my name is Jamie and I'm a 15-year-old content creator with a passion for tech, productivity and photography. I'll be telling you 5 facts about me. My first fact is that I am half Thai. So on my mum's side I am Thai and I go to Thailand about 2 months every year apart from this year and last year because of COVID. I really enjoy it there. I do lots of photography there and I am also pretty good at speaking Thai, but I can't read or write it, so I'm illiterate. On to my second fact. I really enjoy photography. Ever since picking up my first camera at the age of 9, I've been really into photography and I think it's a great medium for me to express myself creatively. So over the years I've won a couple of photographic awards and I've been to a couple of places and took lots of photos. In terms of the camera I use the Fujifilm X-H1 and the 18 to 55mm kit lens. And here are some of my photos. If you'd like to see more of my photos, I have an Instagram account dedicated to my photography called Jamie H. I have not been that active in the past 6 months with my photography because I've been quite busy with schoolwork, this YouTube channel which I'm trying to grow, and other commitments too. I haven't really done that much photography in the past year and a half just because of my declining passion in it because I'm stuck in New Zealand, which is an excuse because I'm just procrastinating on it. And yeah, I don't really have a photographic genre right now. I like to experiment in all forms of photography and I love to take photos of anything in front of me, be it people, street photography, portraits, landscapes, architectural, composites, you name it. On to my third fact, I really enjoy running. So I'm about to go on a run right after shooting this. I normally run about 2 or 3 times a week and I started running about a year and a half ago just because I wanted to procrastinate. It's been one of the greatest habits and hobbies that I've formed. It is really good for my health and it's also really fun. In terms of my goals for running, I hope to do the Auckland Half Marathon this year in November and I hope to do it in under 2-hour time. I've been spending quite a lot of time training for this too. On to my fourth fact, I live and breathe music. I really love to listen and play music. In terms of the music I like to listen to, I like to listen to a large variety of music, from classical music to the Beatles to modern music. I love all sorts of music. I also love to play music too. So I play 2 instruments. I play the piano, which I've played for 7 years and I'm okay at, and I really love to play. And I also love to play the tuba. I started playing the tuba about a year ago and it's been really fun and I spent quite a lot of time practicing both of these instruments. I feel like without music I'd be pretty insane. On to my fifth fact, I really enjoy going to school. I know it sounds really crazy, but it's actually a really enjoyable hobby. I'm not sure why, but I'm just a very competitive person and I love the flow state I get from studying and the meaning in life from that. Thanks for watching this video everyone. I'm not sure why you'd watch this video because it poses no relevance to you, but I made this video so I could practice speaking to the camera without having to read off an iPad or memorize my lines. If you like what you see, please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.